Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a 2007 Corvette Coupe. It's got a Rampage package on it. Gives you the Corsa Exhaust, long tube headers, MSD wires, hot plugs, SLP intake, all directly from Ramp Chevrolet. Runs and drives fantastic. No issues whatsoever. Sounds incredible with the Corsa exhaust and the headers. All done from the Ramp dealership. Ebony interior. Showing 22,942 miles. Sounds awesome. Definitely a nice rumble. Movable roof. So there's your long tube headers, MSD wires, SLP Blackwing cold air intake, and I believe they tune it too. Again, runs fantastic, no issues. Got the chrome wheels. I have the Corsa on my SRT8 Chrysler. Definitely sounds incredible. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. Keep in mind we do offer worldwide shipping and financing. So hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.